How to earn money from Sweatcoin. Earning money from Sweatcoin involves a unique concept where you can earn digital currency Sweatcoin by walking and being active. However, it is important to note that Sweatcoin cannot be directly converted into the traditional currency like dollars. Instead, you can use them within the Sweatcoin app to purchase various offers, products or services. Here's how to potentially get the most out of Sweatcoin. Download the app. Start by downloading the Sweatcoin app on your smartphone. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Sign up, create an account and provide the necessary information. Enable location and step tracking. Sweatcoin uses your smartphone GPS and pedometer to track your outdoor steps and convert them into Sweatcoins. Make sure to allow the app access to these features. Start walking. The more you walk or enough in outdoor activities, the more Sweatcoin you can earn. The app has different tiers of earning and most strenuous activities may earn you more Sweatcoins. Explore offers. Inside the app, you shall find various offers including fitness gear, gadgets and experience which you can purchase using your earned Sweatcoins. Refer friends. Sweatcoin has a referral program where you can earn additional Sweatcoins by inviting friends to join the app. Upgrade to premium. Sweatcoin offers a premium subscription that provides benefits like faster earning rates and access to exclusive offers. Consider upgrading if you are a dedicated user. Be patient. Earning significant amount of Sweatcoin may take time, so be patient and consistent with your outdoor activities. Remember, the Sweatcoin have limited real world value and the offer available in the app can vary. It's not a guaranteed way to earn cash but can provide initiatives for a healthier and more active lifestyle.